Sabah everybody and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to talk about the PixelBook Go. Now the PixelBook Go is a Chromebook laptop that offers us the ability of using Chrome as an operating system as well as the ability of using Android applications on the laptop. That's something that we can't actually do on either PC or even Mac running laptops, and that's because this is basically made by Google. Now not only are they offering us the software experience, but they're also giving us their vision of what a Chromebook should be in 2019. First and foremost, I would love it if you guys can like and subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you're always notified whenever we put out new videos on the channel. But let's not waste any time. Let's go ahead and dive into the PixelBook Go. Now we'll start off with the fact that the PixelBook Go is basically a Chromebook running laptop, and it offers us a 16:9 aspect ratio to this experience, different than the last PixelBook that Google put out. Now I'm also going to start off by saying is that this is by no means the cheapest Chromebook you can get on the market. There are definitely cheaper models or cheaper alternatives available. It has a very thin design, and it actually also has a lot of nice round edges around it. And of course, as I mentioned to you guys, we're also going to the 16:9 aspect ratio. Now with the 16:9 aspect ratio, basically video and consuming media, online media is definitely going to work great. Either be it Netflix, be it YouTube, be it Hulu, be it even Amazon, all of that stuff is going to work great. The keyboard that we have here is actually a very nice, very silent keyboard, not very loud. So working in a library or working in a coffee shop or anywhere where you want to basically not make too much noise, this definitely will fit you very well. Battery life that I've been able to get on this is about 8 hours plus. I haven't been able to hit the advertised time, but I would say that 8 hours on a laptop that charges quickly with the included 45-watt charger that is in the box, I think it's actually a very good, enticing experience because you're never going to be down for too long. Like 20 minutes should be able to give you about 2 hours worth of usability. The speakers that we have here are absolutely fantastic. And what I love about this laptop or this Chromebook is that I'm able to actually use it in different experiences. One of which is obviously using it as a laptop. I'm outside and doing things. And that's something that you can actually do with most laptops. Now, where it takes us to the next level is when I basically start docking it. And I like docking it both at work and at home. And that's something that most laptops don't necessarily do very easily. Now, this offers us 2 USB-C ports. Now, it doesn't offer us any full USB and, of course, no HDMI out. So you are going to need to use a hub to be able to connect it to either a monitor or so on. But for me, even when I'm talking to you guys right now, and I'll show you guys a really quick clip right there, I'm actually sitting on a desk. It's basically a standing and sitting desk that has a keyboard and a mouse and a monitor, a 4K monitor connected using a USB-C hub that I'm able to basically just organize everything with just one cable. And I'm able to use my PixelBook as basically a desktop experience. I launch Chrome, I open up as many tabs as I need, and of course I can still launch all of the Android applications. So those are things that you need to keep in mind. Android runs on ChromeOS, as well as basically how ChromeOS is intended to provide us the experience. Now keep in mind, not all Android applications will run perfectly inside of the ChromeOS experience. The example would be basically Instagram and Twitter. If you go full screen, specifically with Instagram, you can't really do anything else. There are other applications like with Twitter that you're able to basically do floating mode, where it basically becomes a very nice experience. So you're able to open up one application on the one side and another one on the other side. And when you connect it, let's say to a 4K monitor and close the lid, you're able to actually get a basically almost desktop experience straight out of a Chromebook. Because I say that because most of us use Chrome as a browser, right? So whenever you're on your PC, most of the things that you do on your PC are inside of a Chrome browser. Outside of running native games and so on, you're running basically on a Chrome browser. The other thing that's really cool about this is obviously because of, as you guys probably heard, the Google Stadia gaming experience just started launching, and that's something that we can actually use the controller. Once we initiate it and set up everything, we can transfer our gaming experience straight onto the Chromebook and actually start playing games straight on it. While I was at Google I/O actually earlier this year, I had the opportunity to see them demoing it there. It's definitely very nice, it's very smooth, the experience is really good, and the controllers actually definitely feel very nice. Look forward to a video on the channel covering Stadia and the Chromebook Go, hopefully in the near future. But what I wanted to say is overall, just to kind of summarize the experience, if you're looking for a light Chromebook laptop, or if you're looking for a laptop that is light in general, and you're looking to do basically editing, research, Word, using any kind of Office experience, so Word, PowerPoint, Excel, all of those applications, as well as obviously Google applications, and the fact that you'd love to have basically Android experience on it, and a much better tethered experience to an Android device, meaning you can actually set it up in a way that when you turn on your Chromebook, you can unlock your Chromebook using your Pixel 4 device, and you can also set it up so that it turns on the hotspot from your phone, so you actually have internet on your laptop automatically automatically without having to go in and do anything. You just turn it on, and if there is no Wi-Fi connection, it'll default directly to the phone that's connected to it, turn on the hotspot, connect to it, and you're online. A lot of things that have been done here to make the experience for using a Chromebook very, very, very nice. I want to say thank you very much first and foremost to Team PixelBook for allowing me to check out the PixelBook Go. Like and subscribe as usual. Thank you very much for the support. And again, if you're looking for a PixelBook laptop that gives you the best experience, starting at about $650, I think the PixelBook Go is a great experience and a great option because it just checks off all the boxes for all the right reasons. The right aspect ratio, great speakers, quiet keyboard, long battery life, and fast charging, as well as the fact that we have the latest options. Be able to actually go all the way up to 4K as far as if you want to get that high of a resolution on this display. But starting at $650, you're not going to be disappointed, and it will definitely make a great holiday gift for anybody that's looking to be more productive in life. I'll see you guys in the next video.